Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this time you can see that the new features, the Tavern Expedition, has already been introduced in the Land of Dawn. And here you can see the new feature World Tree, which helps you to get extra advantage in battle. How? By linking the soul. There are several activities and expedition which helps you to get required materials, and these materials helps you to get the fame. And as you can see in this video that you can select heroes same as the normal tavern to get the stage clear in the tavern expedition, and you can get resources which helps you to upgrade the world tree. World tree is the function which helps you to link your heroes to get extra benefit in battle. We definitely will discuss about the extra benefits, but at first you must see this proof of triumph which is required to attend the boss. You will get the runestone which helps you to upgrade the world tree, and here is the golem hunting process where the triumph is the ticket to attend this stage and kill the boss. Okay, so you can see the skills of the golem. Definitely you all know the story, so I am not going into the stories right now. So this is the fame which helps adventure to get the extra benefit in the in his team. And here we start the battle where you can see that you need to set some heroes, and normally boss comes with the frenzy, but with the recommended hero this frenzy will be removed. Like you have seen that 1-1 was one of the recommended heroes, so as soon as I put 1-1 in my team, the frenzy has been removed from the boss. These are the normal artifacts basically I have used to face this boss. Next we are just coming to the fight, and it's very easy because my heroes are quite strong. So you can see my fame level up to the level 2. You need to face the golems, you need to kill the golem boss to increase your fame. And you have seen, and you can see that the next golem boss need 16 tickets, so definitely I just need to be little bit patient. So here you can see the quest ranks. At present rank A and rank B quests are available here. In the next stage definitely I will get the rank S, and if I am lucky enough I will get the rank SS as well. So this is the tavern shop which is newly introduced in the Land of the Dawn, where you can see you can get some quite good stuffs in exchange of coins. Here is the meter hero, all of it there. Okay, so the recommended hero, you just need to use quick deploy. That will help you to automatically select the heroes. And here is the some buff which gives the extra benefits, like you can see, extra rewards for bounty, encounter monsters, use the encounter mysterious merchant, which is like the merchant suddenly appear in the stage, and you will get option to buy some extra stuffs. Till now I am not encountered with the mysterious merchant, but I have already encountered with the mysterious monster while I was doing the quest. So here you can see the recommended heroes. To remove the frenzy from the boss, you basically need these recommended heroes to deploy. And as long as you just upgrade the wall tree, you will also be able to get some extra resources in your ideal process. And definitely the stages has some timer. In the higher ranked stage you will get the higher timer, as it's the rank A only, so it's only having 1 hour CD to complete the stage. When it's rank A, it can be 8 hours. You need to pass stage 26 by 40 to activate this feature, the Tavern Expedition. And now the tavern has two type of places. One is the world tree, and another one is the Monument of Dawn. So now let us see the world tree. World tree is the feature which is newly introduced in the Land of the Dawn. Just follow the video so you will see that how this works. Increase the battle points from ideal rewards. You can activate 4 times in one animal symbol. Yes, you can see that I am already doing all this upgradation at the moment, and I got one soul link option. Sorry. Here is the soul root, which also helps you to get extra buff in the ideal process, in the ideal rewards. Increase the battle points from ideal rewards by 20%. It's the level 1 only right now, so I am getting the benefit in the ideal form also. Now it comes to link the hero. Here you can see that soul link process is basically you just you can link your dark, light, elemental, tech, martial or chaos and order heroes, but I suggest you to link the heroes which are non-order and chaos function, because once you link it, these heroes will behave like order hero and you can get the extra benefit in battle or in your team position, which is similar to the same 4 types or 3 types or 5 types hero deploying, which can be increased 15% to 25% your attack and HP. But whenever you are linking with the order or chaos heroes, it's only give you the 2% increased attack and HP. So that's good actually, but not for the all the free to play or the low pay guys, because it won't help you much. You can see some bonus details. Now let us just go to the next part, which is the swan animal symbol, which is also helps you to get some extra benefit. All what you need, you just need to click all the symbols and you can read it properly, and definitely you will get the information which you are looking for. So basically you just need to read, okay? Just don't wait for others to explain that what is and what is that. Okay, here is the soul awakening soul awakening system, where you can get some extra benefits with your heroes. You can just click there and see all the details which benefits you will be able to get. You can just see it by just clicking or tapping all those symbols. Oh, soul root, which I have already showed you. Now you can buy this stone in the newly introduced tavern shop, and in the market you also get the rune stone. You just need to refresh it with the diamond. With the exchange of 300 diamond, you can get 500 rune stone. Here you can see the elephant linking. One by one you can see all the benefits. You just need to click all of them, okay? So it's not a big issue. Here you can also see the bonus overview. And next, let us just go to the next part of the world tree. Like you can see that you can dispatch heroes for only a limited number of bounty quests in tavern expedition per day. The number can be increased by upgrading your fame level or VIP level. Like in the, if you are high VIP level, VIP level 14 or plus, you can get one extra chance, unless you will get normally the two chances for the tavern expedition. Okay, so that's it. There is some buff items which will be available for you while you are doing the expedition, and which helps you to grant different special effects while you are doing the expedition. So guys, I do believe it's little bit easier now to understand that actually how this new feature process. And here you can see I am still having tavern expedition. One has already done, two is ongoing, and I have three chances because I am a little bit high one in VIP. And while you are just having the expedition, there is a chance that you may encounter some boss, and that will be advantage for you to get extra runestone or extra reward, uh, which is quite good, but it's really depend on the luck. But as long as you increase your fame level, that will help you to get some greater and bigger rewards. Okay, so as I was saying, just click on the market and you can see there is a new feature which is the tavern shop. And in the market there you just need to refresh it as long as you have the diamond available, and you can get the rune stone from the market. So definitely it's a good thing to have the resource, because as long as you are going to improve your level in the tavern expedition and world tree, the requirement of the runestone will get higher and higher. So better you just start hoarding the runestone from now. So don't waste your diamonds, keep them all to have the better advantage in your future. So guys, for now this is it. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you again.